So now children, we will see what is the different parties, why these political parties they exist in different states of India. Now see a paragraph. You must be reading different news in newspapers. Through these news items, we get information about various parties existing in different states of India. Already we know that so many regional parties are there. Do these parties function only at state level? Some state leaders are influential at national level, while some have influence only at state level. Why it is so? Why some leaders they are influential in state level, and why some leaders are influential at national level? Because if they are from national party, naturally they will be influential at national level. If they are from regional party, naturally they will be influential at regional level. So it depends upon which party they belong. Understood? If they are from national party, then they must be recognized from national level. If they are from regional party, they must be recognized from region. With the help of such question, we will try to get information about various regional parties in India. So children, we will see about various regional parties. Till now we have studied about 4 or 5 national parties. Now we will see about regional parties. Children, already we know that in India we find different speaking different languages, have different tradition and culture. They belong to different parts of India. We see different regions have their own language. You have already studied different geographical regions in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra there exists geographical and cultural diversity. Maharashtra is different from Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. So already we know that India is a land of diverse diversity, difference, culture, unity in diversity. Already we know this concept. So different regions are there, different languages are there, different cultures are there. So in a state itself, in a state, every state, there are so many differences. There are so many differences in culture. So in Maharashtra also we know that so many differences are there. The feeling of affinity develop about language and regional gradually turn into identity consciousness and finally gives rise to regionalism. Children, in your 9th standard we have studied about regionalism. Remember, whenever a person or a feeling of this regionalism, that means my state is best and I am going to use all those resources. These resources should be utilized by the people who are residing in that particular region. No one is going to benefit getting any type of benefit from this. So this type of feeling that ये मेरा ही है और किसी का नहीं हो सकता और इसमें किसी को आने की इजाज़त नहीं, ये जो फीलिंग है, दिस रियली गोइंग टू हिंडर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर कंट्री. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस फीलिंग ऑफ एफिनिटी डेवलप अबाउट लैंग्वेज and region gradually turns into identity consciousness and finally gives rise to regionalism. So these type of feeling really they gives rise to regionalism, which is not going to benefit our country. People start thinking primarily about interest and development of their own region. That means they become selfish. They doesn't give a thought for the other regions also. They start feeling proud of their language, literature, tradition, history of social reform, education and culture movement and give rise to development of linguistic identity. So these type of thinking are there if they develop the feeling of regionalism. Regional identity develop from the consciousness. So this is very important, children, that